Hello students, good morning. This is our maths class. Today we will start with new lesson, that is numbers up to 50. First of all, we will do some warm up. Complete the numbers from 1 to 20 on the number train. We have to write the numbers on the number train. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now in this lesson what we are going to study, building and writing numbers from 20 to 50. Numbers on abacus, before, after and between numbers, comparing numbers and ordering of numbers. So shall we start? Fabian, Manjit and Azhar are at a fair. They are on the fair making their own stall of sticks. Manjit says, I have to count the sticks to check that we have enough for our stall at the fair. So Fabian says, let me help you. First we shall bundle them in groups of 10. So Azhar says, yes, we know that 10 ones make 110. Fabian says, yes, let us easily count now. Now we know that 10 ones make 110. In previous lesson also we have studied about tens and ones. So 10 ones make 110. So 2 tens is equal to 20 ones. 2 bundles of 10 ones makes 2 tens. Building numbers from 21 to 30. Let us understand to build numbers from 21 to 30. So first we will revise about what are tens and ones. In last lesson also we have studied about tens and ones. One ten means 10 ones. Suppose these are the sticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we are taking it as a single, we say as ones, 10 ones. But when we bundle these 10 ones together, it makes 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See. This together makes 110. Again if I am taking 10 ones, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 210. 210 means 20 ones. That is 20 number. These are the 20 sticks. But all time we just can't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. We just have to bundle the 10 ones together so that we can call it as 110, 210, 310, 410 like that. So that the number becomes 20, 30, 40, 50 and it continues. So today we will study from 20 to 50 numbers. See, 2 tens plus 1, 1. This is only one stick. But here 10 plus 10, that is 20 ones are there, that together makes 2 tens and 1, that is 21. So we have to write like this, tens and ones, 2 tens and 1 ones. 2 tens, 2 ones, that makes 22. 2, 2. You have to write These all numbers up to 30. See here. Next is fill in the missing numbers. You have to write the missing numbers here. 21 after 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. We have reached it the home. Next is match the numbers with its number names. We have to match the numbers with number names. First of all, I will read the numbers 23, 28, 26, 21, 29. What are the number names? 21, 23, 28, 29, 26. Now match with the respective numbers. 23, here is the 23. So this is the 23. Okay. Next 4 numbers you have to write on your own. See, fill in the blanks. 29 has dash tens and dash ones. Now 29. How many tens are in 29? 2 tens. And ones, 9 ones. 24, 2 tens and 4 ones. 22, 2 tens and 2 ones. 20 have 2 tens and ones, no, 0 ones are there. You can write simply here 0. Now read the numbers on each abacus and write it in the boxes. Also write their number names in the blanks. Now numbers on abacus we have studied in last lesson also. We have to count the beads on the abacus. First of all, let us see tens and ones. We have to count the beads on the ones place. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are there on the ones place, and in tens place 2 beads. That is, the number is 25. We have to write 25 in words also. 25. Write these 2 questions on your own, count it and write the numbers and write number names also.